Brogus Dream Hack Lifehacks calendar. I had a cooking dream last night, man. I dreamt I fried broccoli in garlic oil with some sprinkles of parmesan. Dude, let's go find out if it has good in reality. Alright, you take one broccoli, start with softening them up a little one until it gets softer, you know, with some salt, with butter, cause why not? We had a little bit later on. Alright, that's soft enough. So trust me, I would know. Alright, dry them off good. You never want to fry something wet, you know, cause it's just not. And I pre-grated some parmesan with this. It's great. Dude, I actually found garlic olive oil. My dream made it exist in reality. Alright, let's make my dreams come true. Garlic oil, broccoli, and the parmesan. Last one in is the parmesan. This might just get burned. I don't know. We'll find out soon. And serve it up. There you go, my dream broccoli, garlic oil, parmesan. Let's see how this creation is. No, dude, it's not bad. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. It tastes like a broccoli gratin, kind of. Dude, now I know how a parent feels. Like a lot of excitement at first, but followed by this appointment. No, but this as a side dish is pretty good. This is gonna be my dinner tonight, you know. This with a side dish of beer.
Don't let your dreams be dreams.